Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. I'm so excited today to bring you a look at a new Jon Renau style for fall 2024. This one is called Stella Star in salted caramel. Gorgeous style and color. You can find it right here at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video and expand the description box, you'll locate a direct product link, and when you click on the link, it'll take you right to the site where you can explore all of the pricing and other details. Here's Stella Star right out of the box. It has some elements of a short little classic shag. It is straight. I'm not noticing any kind of wave or flippiness to this. Also, there's not a lot of body to it, so you're not going to be able to get a huge amount of volume, sustainable volume, unless you take heat to it with your heat tools. But let's just take a look at it as it came right out of the box. Okay, kind of a low profile, very light density, limited permatease, natural feeling, natural looking. Now, what I really like about this, again, is these caps. This new cap, oh my goodness, beautiful. I don't know whether it's new as in innovatively new by Jon Renau. It's still in their Smart Lace collection, but I think they've really improved. We've got a nice light fine density right there at the front, and then a full monofilament top, which you will be able to get the illusion of scalp no matter how you want to part it. But now in the front, that 3.5-inch bang, it's like, okay, this is not just a short shag, it has bangs. And so many of you are going to absolutely love that. So that 3.5-inch bang, you've got about a 6-inch crown, and then about a 3.25-inch nape. Well done. Lots of great coverage here. Now this is more of a low profile. Like I explained, you're not getting a ton of volume. I think if it were me, I would just tend to just kind of let it fall and take a natural part. It has a little bit of a retro look, doesn't it? But I'm more of a fan of tapering at the sides, so you can tamp that down. It's extremely tuckable, natural looking, and it holds wonderfully. There's not, like I say, not a ton of permatease in the area. Gosh, it only weighs 2.5 ounces. Here we're getting into some full monofilament lace features. So again, there is an extended lace front that goes halfway, well, nearly all the way back through the ear tab. Extends beautifully. There's a seam that adjoins the single monofilament top. Again, really light, natural density. Very nice, fine knotting process there at the front. Open wefts on the sides and back. An extended felted nape with the Velcro style adjusters. Again, this one fits quite average.